Hey, Jimmy, did you want to be friends? Hola!
Why am I surrounded by morons?
Do you really have to pee when you get
One day, girls will like
I get
me.
nervous a lot.
Hey, Algernon, I heard you wet your bed again. If that's all you got, and this is gonna be just you, I'll teach you what it means to be hurt.
Hurt him! Make him cry!
I've got a whole new bag of tricks for you. Now I got you! Having fun?
Leave him alone!
Get closer!
Aw, you gonna cry?
Don't hurt him, pig!
Better run, weak sauce.
Hey, fight me!
I just love it when someone beats up someone who isn't me. I always wonder what it'd be like to be big and tough and really stupid. Fight!
Someone get a prefect!
I've already wet myself once this month. If I do it again, they'll never let me hear the end of it. Cover me! I'm going in! Hey! Were there two people in our stall?
Trench said they went into the bathroom. No more messing around! Don't stop! This is great! I'll break every bone in your scrawny little body, chump!
You guys are making me nervous!
Thirsty? Have a drink.
Now everyone's gonna think I'm a loser! Get closer!
I've been thinking a lot about snails recently. They're slimy.
I always get my man!
Why didn't I scare that nerd today? Guess I'm going soft. I don't understand why the world can't live up to my standards. You like that?
You're really getting cross and Ricky.
Sports are fun.
This whole school is rotten to the core. What's wrong with this place? Hailing frequencies
Check this out, sucker! Check it out!
The main problem is no one cares about self-defense anymore.
Why are you picking on me?
Your hands off. This is a ninja tactic. Oh, man.
It was a tiger, not a tree.
What is absinthe anyway?
You, get to class.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Miss Phillips, and it is my pleasure to induct you into the world of arts. That's excellent, Jimmy. Mind if I keep it?
Looking good today.
Hi there.
Just a little something. I hope you think this is okay.
Oh, Jimmy, that's
I
so
wonder,
nice
did
of
Arthur
you.
receive my application?
Come on, then.
Do you think anyone saw?
I rock! My work here is done.
Have you seen a celebrity up close?
I really think someone is out to get me now.
My mom called. You just bumped into me.
Hey, Algernon, I heard you wet your bed again.
Sucks to be you.
Hurt him! Make him cry!
Okay,
I just
you
love it
pushed
when
too
someone
far.
beats up someone who isn't me!
Help me, guys!
Are you hurting yet? Get closer.
Really?
I'll break it before.
Hey, don't hurt him!
I'll save ya!
Get lost, bitch. Don't struggle.
When I'm done with you, your jaw's gonna be wide shut. You'll be eating first.
Now you've made me mad!
Why are you hitting yourself?
I've been thinking a lot about
Dad.
sales recently. They're slimy. I've already wet myself once this month. If I do it again, the level at the end.
Stop tickling me and I'll show you.
Please, nobody heard me today.
Cover me! I'm going in! Hey! Were there two people in that stall?
Trent just said they went into the bathroom. No more messing around! Don't stop! This is great! Bullworth Prefect.
I can't tell Mom about that at all.
Highlight of the day so far.
You know Lola? She's really hot. Actually talked to me the other day. I think maybe she wants to be my girlfriend or something. Mommy told me to always wash my hands. I feel much better now. Here it is. Thanks, Jimmy. Here's the cash. I'll tell my mom that not everyone at Bullworth is mean.
I think we can call that a wrap.
Shouldn't you be in class? Forget where your class is?
You're supposed to be in class by now. Mr. Bell, and I'll make your life hell. You're true as...
I got plenty.
All right, Whips, it's time for some wrestling instruction. This will require physical contact between you and your opponent. Don't any of you enjoy it?
Hey, all you Bullworth fans, stand up and clap your hands.
Another crushing blow for Fatty. My tender soul.
That's better, Hopkins!
My esteem fall
I thought you
any
were supposed to
lower?
be tough,
Why
Jimmy
am I
boy.
such a doofus?
That's right, hurt him!
I'm gonna
Hopkins, don't
die
be
of
such a girl!
embarrassment. I can't do anything right.
That's what I like to see!
Please,
Do
I have
something,
nervous
Hopkins!
bowels. My mom still thinks I'm a winner.
All right, boys, I want to see you sweat! Maybe you're not completely useless, Hopkins.
All sorted.
I got a job to do.
Fatty has arrived.
Jimmy, we gotta do this. Yeah, I guess so. Thanks.
Much obliged.
Jimmy comes through again.
What do you say, friend?
Get lost, pal!
I don't want any trouble, okay?
Go on, Petey. Go cry to the teacher. Tell them I was nasty to you.
Shut up, Gary. You're such a jerk, man.
Oh, am I, Petey? Oh, you're so cutting. I'm really upset. Actually, I think I'm gonna go cry. Then I'd be just like you. Cry, little girl. Oh, look out. Here comes Jimmy.
Just knock it off, Gary. You're out of line.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was hanging out in the girls' dorm. Silly me.
Shut up, man. You're boring.
Boring? I'm boring. You're none too interesting yourself, friend. Look, I'm sorry, both of you. I apologize, okay? I just get a little overexcited. Forgive me.
Forget it. It's cool.
Anyway, I've got a good idea for some fun. Let's go out and torment someone really helpless and unfortunate. That homeless guy. Come on. You coming, little Petey? Come on, I'm sorry. I'll give you a kiss if that's what you want.
Shut up.
Then come on. This is gonna be fun.
Harassing some old homeless guy is fun.
It is. And you should be grateful you're not the victim for once.
Man. I guess.
Hey, Jimmy, tell me about this guy. Does he like to go in his own pants?
I can't wait to get out of this place.
Where is this dirty old perv?
You know, you're not very nice, Gary.
And you're a loser, Petey. One of life's unfortunates.
Get out of here, you little scum!
So I guess the rumors are true, Jimmy. Your dad does live on campus.
You jerk!
Ow! Let's leave this guy to his welfare payments. Come on, let's get out of here.
Just get out of here, kid.
Why should I?
Because otherwise I'll kill you.
What's your problem?
That's a long story. You got any liquor?
No, I'm 15.
Well, what about drugs?
No!
Then why shouldn't I kill you?
All right then, tough guy, kill me.
You know what, kid? I like your style. You got guts. When I was on that ridge in Korea, watching my buddies get killed by friendly fire, I could have used somebody like you.
Yeah? Thanks.
But I bet you can't fight. You do me a favor, and I'll show you some real moves. classified moves. Real special army stuff.
Cool.
Just get me a part for my radio and I'll show you what the army taught me.
What, like how to get shot by your own side?
Exactly.
Johnny is going to show everyone, man.
Looks like you're a little rusty. I'll fix that.
I can use that. Hey, that prefect Max is so stuck up. I bet he has a gun stuck up his belt. I was just looking for one of those.
Thanks, kid. You're one of the good ones. I learned this one from this crazy guy I served with. Okay, he was my brother. Yeah, that's right. You're doing me proud, kid. Well, that's enough for now. You all know better than me. Don't forget to bring me a transistor when you come back.
And that's that.
I love to study in the library.
I wish someone would talk
Peaceful,
to Joe.
and there are no bullies.
You think I'm joking?
What's a girl gotta do to get something from her man? Hey, you! I really like your outfit.
Give it back!
Or what?
Or, well, just give it back!
Are you threatening me, Metal Mouth?
No, just give it back. You can't just steal things from me.
Unfortunately for you, my pig ugly friend, that is exactly what I can do. In fact, I can do anything I like in this place. Anything at all. Ciao, Spotty.
Give it back.
And you should stay out of the girls' dorm, you little perv. Ugh, I see you undressing me with your eyes. Sicko.
You wish.
Please, will you help me?
Do I have to?
Yes, it's vital. She's stolen my lab notes. Without them, I'm gonna fail chemistry and I'll never get into med school. Now I won't find the cure for cancer. Basically, the future of the whole world rests on those notes.
What's in it for me?
Well, if you get them back, I'll kiss you.
Ugh. That's okay.
Well, okay, but if you don't, I'll tell the whole school you're some kind of sad sicko who spies on girls getting changed in their dorm.
Relax. One set of lab notes coming up.
Eat it.
I'm so...
Do unto others rule.
So, are you gonna get this?
Miss Phillips keeps a picture of me in her desk.
Everyone thinks bigger is better around.
That's what Mommy called me.
Evil
Hey, look out!
What's up?
I wish I was.
Troublemakers will be found and punished. No kid, your son.
Here you go.
Oh, Jimmy, thank you. You're wonderful.
Nice lip gloss.
Thank you for being my partner for this project.
That was easy.
I'll be a cardiovascular surgeon or a neurologist. I do not want to be a dermatologist. No way.
Hey, Beatrice, what's wrong?
Two things. Firstly, my cold sores are totally acting up
What?
again.
Ew, gross.
Secondly, Mr. Hattrick saw me writing in my diary during class, and he took it and he locked it in his desk. And he says he's gonna give it to the principal tomorrow. If anyone sees what's in there, I will just die. It's really personal.
Yeah, well, nothing like having the whole school know your deepest secrets. Makes your teenage years go by in a flash.
Yeah, well, you'll soon find out.
Me? Why?
In the diary, I talk a lot about you and me.
What? There is no you and me.
Yeah, there is. See, first you rescued my notes from Mandy, and then we fell in love, and you brought me flowers, and wrote me poetry, and showed this kinder, sensitive side that soon the whole world is gonna know about. We're like doomed lovers.
Enough. Okay, I'll get your book back.
Then we can kiss. The cold sores aren't contagious once they start to scab over. Li is lithium, Na is sodium, K is potassium, Rb is rubidium, Cs is cesium.
What if I spent a ruler?
Hey, buddy.